How's it going? Mark the Ministry Dude here. I want to talk a little bit today about your finances. God will provide, is what we're going to talk about. I got this little book here. God will provide. How to Trust God for Your Finances is written by Travis Lee Peters. It's a pretty good book. It explains, the steps you really need to take to trust God with your finances. It's not rocket science. It's just a positive mindset, really. Positive mindset, it really is one of the most important things in your life because as soon as you let your guard down, Satan's going to sneak in. Oh, why am I going through this? What have what have I done, God, to deserve this? A lot of things in people's lives are man-made. Sometimes you've heard the story, you're your own worst enemy, or the saying. Well, that's true. That's true in a lot of things. I mean, I got myself in a financial bind one time. I got a credit card, and I maxed it right out. Man, I just buy. I just bought everything in sight, and then I had to pay it back. The easy part is spending the money. The hard part is paying it back. So then you got to cut back, and you've got to go through all these, things that you got to do. You can't do this, and you can't do that, and you can't, and you can't, and you can't, and you can't. So what you got to do, is you got to set yourself up for success, not for failure. Start out small and work your way up. Rome wasn't built in a day. If you get yourself a credit card, just buy a couple things and then pay it off at the end of the month. Because credit is good to have, really. Abusing credit is where you get in trouble. Like I've got like 3 or 4 credit cards. I've got them to the point now to where I just make payments on them every month. I'm getting them paid off. Because, if you run out of money on one and you don't have enough, enough money to buy what you want, then you use credit cards. In the last 4 years, the economy hasn't been very good. A lot of people are living off their credit cards. But trust God for your finances. But it's a two-way street, though. You're not just going to sit at home and say, well, God, send me some money. It don't work that way. You got to go out and you got to work. Because God don't work if you don't work. That's the thing. You've got to put effort into it. Or, well, I've tried, but I keep trying and keep trying. Well, what's the definition of insanity? Doing the same thing over and over again, expect different results. Try new things. Try different things. I'm going to leave a link below the video on a website, my Ministry Dude website. And there's some resources on there that you can use to help better your life. This is Mark the Ministry Dude saying, trust God with your finances. I'm here to guide you. If you need any help, just go to my website. My phone number's on there. My email. Get a hold of me however you can. Send me smoke signals. I don't care. Just get a hold of me. Let's work this out. There's nothing to it, really. If you just put your mind to it and you got a positive mindset. That's all it takes. Just be positive. Thanks for watching the video. We love you. And I'll see you again. If you have any problems, just give me a call. No problem. I'm available. If I don't have an answer, leave a message. I'll get right back to you. Thank you. Have a blessed one.